Thank you for joining me today. As a part of the Native Forest Operations Capacity Building Project, what we're trying to do is develop a range of toolbox talks that you can implement with your forestry operators. To assist these toolbox talks, we're creating some simple talkovers to run through them. So our first one today is working near protected plants. Protected plants can be trees, shrubs, flowers and grasses and are protected by environmental legislation. Protected plants legislation aims to identify, list and preserve Commonwealth and Queensland listed species. It ensures that activities are regulated and ensures controls are implemented to maintain compliance. Protected plants are safeguarded in forest operations by operational buffers called protected plant high risk areas. These are commonly known as blue triggers. A protected plant high-risk area is a buffer zone found in an operational harvesting plan. You can see here that on this operational harvesting plan, we've got a 2-kilometre buffer surrounding our protected plant. So if you see one of these on your map, then ensure you follow the protected plants decision tree. The protected plants decision tree is a step-by-step process that you can follow to assist. So for example, if you have a protected plants high risk area on your map, then you would say yes. Then you would need to determine if clearing is required. So within the protected plants information guide, it has definitions about what clearing is and isn't. But in simple terms, clearing can include new roads, new landings, and also widening any existing footprints of infrastructure. From there, what you can do is continue to apply the next step. So if there is no clearing required and you can use the existing footprints, then it would be no, and you would refer to the native timber industry exemptions and continue working. If clearing is required and cannot be avoided, then there's a range of steps that are then to follow, and you would need to seek input from DAF. So please refer to this decision tree to assist you. All information listed within this toolbox talk is taken from the Protected Plants Information Guide. It's available on Queensland Native Forestry website that's been developed by Timber Queensland. Protected plants and what you need to do near working with them is covered in several pieces of legislation, including the Conservation Act and the Nature Conservation Regulations. The Protected Plants Information Guide combines information from the legislation and also DAF's contractual documents and puts it into one place to make it easier for forestry operators and permittees to understand what they need to do. Again, use this simple decision tree. It can really assist you with your step-by-step instructions for working near protected plants. If you need more information on what you can do, then refer to the native timber industry exemptions or any step of the decision tree through the Protected Plants Information Guide. Importantly, always document your decision-making process and any advice that you've received, and you can always reach out to me here at Timber Queensland and I can always try to assist. So thank you for listening today and look forward to many more opportunities on delivering these talkovers with you. So thank you.